In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Weebly, a popular website builder that's user-friendly and perfect for showcasing your brand online. Whether you're promoting a business, a blog, or a personal portfolio, connecting your site visitors to your social media profiles can boost your online presence significantly. So, let's dive right in and get started. Once you're logged into your Weebly account and in the site editor, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Build option located at the top of the screen. This action opens up a whole new world of customization possibilities. You'll notice a list of elements appears on the left-hand side of your screen. Weebly has a variety of elements that you can seamlessly drag and drop onto your site, making it super easy to customize. In this list, you'll want to look for the social icons element. This is where the magic happens, so keep an eye out for it. Once you locate it, simply click and hold to drag it wherever you want it to appear on your site. The beauty of Weebly is that it allows for flexibility. You can position these icons in a prominent place such as the header, the footer, or even on a dedicated sidebar. Dropping it in the right spot can enhance its visibility and ensures that visitors can easily engage with your social platforms. Now, it's time to configure those icons, which is a simple click away. By clicking on the social icons element once more, you're able to enter the configuration mode. Here, you can personalize the icons to your liking. This step is particularly important because this is where you add the links to your respective social media profiles, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other platform you're active on. You'll want to ensure that these links are accurate so that your visitors are directed to the right places. It's also a great time to hide any social media icons you don't intend to use. If there are platforms you're not active on, it's cleaner and less confusing for your visitors if these are not visible. And just like that, once you've added and configured your social media links, you're all set. It's really that simple. By incorporating these interactive icons, you're providing an immediate and efficient way for people to connect with you outside of your website, encouraging engagement and potentially growing your follower base. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this instruction both simple and helpful. With these steps, your website will be even more connected and engaging. Enjoy customizing your Weebly site, and until next time, happy web building.